Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Waffle House grits. First, measure out 1 cup of quick-cooking grits and 4 cups of water. Don't forget half a teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of butter for that rich flavor. Using a good quality, heavy-bottomed saucepan will prevent sticking and ensure your grits cook perfectly. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Once your water and salt are boiling, it's time to add the grits. Slowly whisk in the 1 cup of quick grits to avoid any lumps, ensuring a smooth texture. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let them simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir occasionally to keep them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. This slow cooking process is key. After simmering, remove the grits from the heat. Stir in the 2 tablespoons of butter until it's completely melted and incorporated, making them wonderfully smooth. For an even creamier consistency, add about 1/4 cup of milk or cream. Taste and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt and pepper if needed. This step truly elevates the flavor. Your delicious Waffle House-style grits are now ready to enjoy. Serve them hot in a bowl and feel free to customize with your favorite toppings. A sprinkle of cheese, some crispy bacon, or a perfectly fried egg makes for a fantastic breakfast or side dish. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy your homemade grits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.